Hey guys, welcome to Basic Uses English. I'm happy to see you here today. In this video, we will practice speaking English together. You will hear a simple and interesting story about dogs. It's great for listening, learning new words, and speaking practice. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Today, I will tell you a story about dogs. This story is simple and full of love, friendship, and loyalty. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin. In a small town near the mountains, there lived a boy named Rohan. Rohan was 10 years old. He lived with his mother and father. Rohan loved animals, especially dogs. But he never had a pet. His parents were busy and said, "Dogs need care. Maybe later." Every day, Rohan would walk to school. On his way, he saw a group of street dogs. There was one dog who always looked at him with kind eyes. Rohan named him Buddy. Buddy had no owner. He was thin, dirty, and always hungry. But he wagged his tail when he saw Rohan. Rohan started bringing food for Buddy every day. Bread, milk, or biscuits. Buddy became his friend. One day, it rained heavily. The roads were wet and cold. Rohan saw Buddy sitting under a tree, shivering. He took his umbrella and covered Buddy. He said, "Don't worry, I'm here." From that day, they became best friends. Buddy followed Rohan to school and waited outside. When school ended, they walked home together. People in the town noticed. Some said, "What a good boy." Others said, "Street dogs are dirty." But Rohan didn't care. He loved Buddy. One night, something bad happened. A thief came into Rohan's house. The family was asleep. Buddy, who now slept outside the house, saw the thief. He barked loudly. Very loudly. Rohan's father woke up. He turned on the lights. The thief ran away. The whole family was shocked. Rohan hugged Buddy tightly. "You saved us," he said with tears. His parents looked at Buddy. They smiled and said, "He is brave. He is family now." The next day, Rohan's father built a small dog house in the yard. They gave Buddy a bath. They took him to the vet. Buddy was healthy but tired. Now, he had a name tag, a collar, and a warm place to sleep. He was no longer a street dog. He was Rohan's dog. They played every day. Ran in the fields, played catch, and ate together. Buddy was happy. Rohan was happy. Rohan started caring for more dogs in the town. He gave food to street dogs. Sometimes he took them to the vet. He told his friends, "Dogs have feelings too." Soon, many children joined him. They made a club, Friends of Dogs. They collected old blankets and food. They made posters, "Adopt, don't shop." One family adopted a puppy. Another gave shelter to an old dog. The town started changing. After 1 year, Rohan won an award. The town mayor said, "This young boy made our place kinder and safer for dogs and people." Rohan gave a speech. He said, "Dogs are not just animals. They are our friends. They protect us, love us, and ask for nothing in return." People clapped. Buddy barked happily beside him. So, my friends, this was the story of Rohan and Buddy. It is a story of love, loyalty, and change. Remember, dogs are kind. They cannot speak, but they feel everything. If you see a street dog, be kind. If you have a dog, love them like family. Thank you for listening. Please like this video and subscribe for more stories. Goodbye and see you next.